Welcome, little adventurers. Today, we are diving deep into the sparkling blue ocean, where magical sea creatures live and play. Are you ready to explore the underwater world with us? Look, there's our friend, Danny the dolphin. Danny is playful and loves to jump and twirl in the water. Let's say hi to Danny. Danny leads us to a beautiful coral reef, filled with all kinds of amazing creatures. The coral is like an underwater garden, with every color you can imagine. As we swim further, we meet Timmy the turtle, who is very wise and knows all about the ocean. Danny then takes us to see the magical jellyfish, who light up the ocean like stars in the night sky. Suddenly, we discover a mysterious sunken ship. Could it be filled with hidden treasure? Inside the ship, we find a hidden treasure chest filled with sparkling jewels and gold. As our adventure comes to an end, it's time to say goodbye to our underwater friends.